Hello, guys. Sometimes it happens that we don't know what is right and what is wrong. In this situation, we consult somebody. Today, we will learn how to speak in English while consulting or taking suggestions. दोस्तों, ये पता करने के लिए कि क्या ठीक है और क्या गलत है, आज इस चैप्टर में हम सुझाव या सलाह लेने का काम करेंगे। अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि क्या आपको या किसी और को कुछ एक्शन करना चाहिए, जैसे क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए, क्या विराट को आज खेलना चाहिए, क्या उसे जोश में होश खोना चाहिए, क्या तुम्हें थकान में काम करना चाहिए, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर शुड somebody action. Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए? Should I go there? क्या विराट को आज खेलना चाहिए? Should विराट play today? क्या उसे जोश में होश खोना चाहिए? Here is a word जोश. It means zeal. So please speak here. Should he lose cool in zeal? क्या तुम्हें थकान में काम करना चाहिए? Here is a word थकान. It means fatigue. So please speak here. Should you work during fatigue? Let's do practice here. Here are some structures. Here is action. Speak the truth. Please practice like, should I speak the truth? Should we speak the truth? Should he speak the truth? Should she speak the truth? Should they speak the truth? Should you speak the truth? Should Rohit speak the truth? Should uncle speak the truth? Here are some more actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did. Let's ask more questions for consulting somebody about something. अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपको या किसी और को क्या काम करना चाहिए, please use a structure. What should somebody action? For example, मुझे क्या कहना चाहिए? What should I say? हमें खून पसीने की कमाई और बेईमानी की कमाई में से क्या चुनना चाहिए? Here is a word खून पसीने की कमाई. It means hard-earned money. Here is one more word बेईमानी की कमाई. It means hush money. So please speak here. What should we select from hard-earned money and hush money? Let's ask more questions. अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपको या किसी और को किसी एक्शन को कैसे करना चाहिए, please use a structure here. How should somebody action? Here are some examples for more understanding. रोहित को आज कैसे खेलना चाहिए? How should Rohit play today? हमें घुमावदार टेढ़े मेढ़े और उबड़ खाबड़ रास्तों पर कैसे नियंत्रण करना चाहिए? Here is a word घुमावदार. It means winding. Here is one more word टेढ़े मेढ़े. It means slopey. Here is one more word ubad khabad. It means bumpy. So please speak here. How should we control on winding, slopey and bumpy roads? Let's consult with another question based structure. अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपको या किसी और को किसी एक्शन को कब करना चाहिए, please use a structure here. When should somebody action? Here are some examples. एक इंसान को उम्र कैद कब मिलनी चाहिए? Here is a word, umr kaid. It means life imprisonment. So please speak here. When should a person get life imprisonment? Here is next. एक इंसान को सजाए मौत कब मिलनी चाहिए? Here is a word, सजाए मौत. It means capital punishment. So please speak here. When should a person get capital punishment? Let's do another question based structure. अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपको या किसी और को किसी एक्शन को कहाँ करना चाहिए, please use a structure here. Where should somebody action? Here are some examples. उसे कहाँ रहना चाहिए? Where should he live? उसे पालतू और जंगली जानवर कहाँ रखने चाहिए? Here is a word, पालतू जानवर. It means domestic animal. Here is one more word, जंगली जानवर. It means wild animal. So please speak here. Where should he keep domestic and wild animals? Let's consult with another question based structure. अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपको या किसी और को किसी एक्शन को क्यों करना चाहिए, please use a structure. Why should somebody action? Here are some examples. हमें वहाँ क्यों जाना चाहिए? Why should we go there? मुझे वरदान क्यों मिलना चाहिए? Here is a word, वरदान. It means boon. So please speak here. Why should I get boon? तुम्हें अभिशाप क्यों मिलना चाहिए? Here is a word, अभिशाप या श्राप. It means curse. So please speak here. Why should you get curse? Let's do another question based structure. अगर आप ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपको या किसी और को किसी एक्शन को किसके साथ करना चाहिए, please use a structure here. Who should somebody action? Here are some examples. उसे किसके साथ जाना चाहिए? Who should he go with? हमें किससे पूछना चाहिए कि बंजर और उपजाऊ भूमि में क्या अंतर है? Here is a word, उपजाऊ. It means fertile. Here is one more word, banjar. It means barren. Please say here, who should we ask what is the difference between barren and fertile land? Let's go to the next section for daily use sentences. Here is the first line. क्या होना चाहिए? What should happen?
Can you try after pausing video? Here is the solution.
Here is the next section, word for a person. What is there in this picture? चेला गुरु से सलाह ले रहा है. Here is a word, चेला. It means
disciple,
Here is one more word, guru. It means
preceptor.
we can say in this picture,
Disciple is consulting preceptor.
let's go to the next sections for idioms and proverbs. कई बार हम किसी को बहुत कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, लेकिन कोई कारण ऐसा हो जाता है कि चाहते हुए भी कुछ कह नहीं सकते. Idiom for the day is bite lip or bite tongue. It happens when you stop yourself from saying something that you want to say because it would be the wrong thing to say in the circumstances. Please pause the video and do the practice. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.